Call, apply and bind. Call, apply and bind are three methods that can be used to manipulate the context and arguments of a function. We can control the value of this which we get from the parent context. This can make methods reusable. But before learning these, check out my video on this keyword. Now that out of the way, let's see the call method first. Let's have a function that prints the first name and last name from the this, which means the surrounding context. We can use the call method to pass dynamic values, which could be used by the function as the value. The call method takes two arguments. First is the context or the object that we want to set as this within the function. And the second is the additional arguments separated by a comma. The apply method is almost same as the call method, but the difference is how we pass arguments. The call method took args separated by a comma, but the apply method takes it as an array. The third one is called the bind method. The bind method binds the function it is called upon with the object which will become the this context. It then returns thus the copy of the method that we can use later. In other words, bind will return us a function that we have to invoke manually later. This was call, apply and bind. And here is an interview question for you that will scramble your brain. Solve it and send the answers to me on my Discord. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.